Are you scared to draw portraits? But why are you scared? Do you worry about not being able to capture a person's likeness? Or is something else intimidating you? Do you get scared when you look at a blank piece of paper? Does the blank paper terrify you so much that you abandon your drawing and retreat into the darkness? Why are you so afraid? Please tell me in the comments what's making you scared. Share your feelings and I'll try to help you overcome your fears. I've got some new ideas for videos in 2025. I'm going to tell you a secret. I'm a bit scared too. I'm worried you won't like the new kind of videos I'm going to make. I can only help if I know what's bothering you. I'll keep the comments open for a few weeks. In early 2025, I'll read your comments and we can work together to overcome your fears. I have something important to share with you first, and then I'll tell you about my new video ideas. Drawing portraits is challenging. It's a hard work, it really is. But you don't need talent to succeed. Anyone can do it with enough motivation, dedication, and practice. But what does enough mean? Stay tuned for my upcoming video on talent. I think it's going to be a game changer for you. Drawing should be fun. You should be able to forget about your worries for a couple of hours and enjoy the process. You should be able to lose yourself in it. It should be a fun way to escape the stress of everyday life. Fear can paralyze us, preventing us from thinking clearly and solving problems. To achieve our dreams, big or small, we must conquer our fears. We need to overcome our fears to achieve our goals, even if it's just drawing a portrait. I'm ready to help you, but I need to understand your specific concerns. Please share your biggest fears and challenges in the comments. I'll post on this channel all the videos to help you become more confident in drawing portraits. Portrait drawing tips and tricks, tutorials, drawing with graphite pencils, colored pencils, etc. By the way, are you interested in learning to draw stylized portraits or caricatures? Let me know. If you're shy or insecure, you don't have to show your drawing sketches or sketchbooks unless you want to get help and share your learning process. If you'd like, we can create a community on Facebook School or another platform. I'm not sure yet. My dream is to share all my videos here on YouTube. Later, I'll launch a website where you can contact me. You'll be able to find my other social media links and email address there. I want to help you. Together we can overcome your fears. Let's work together to make your drawing dreams come true. See ya!